Thanks again for checking in as we take a look at your severe threats outlook on this Sunday. And we're tracking some dust across the Atlantic once again. Last week, of course, we had a very intense plume make its way across the Atlantic into the Caribbean, and reports that that was the most intense plume that we've had in about 50 years. That plume is now kind of sitting out over the southeastern United States with air quality alerts over the Carolinas, and we actually have some of that dust making its way into the upper Mississippi Valley. Could see a pretty sunset tonight as far north as Minneapolis, Minnesota. Another plume, though, drifting through the Caribbean today will make its way into the lower Mississippi Valley and the Gulf Coast states here by Wednesday afternoon, lowering our visibilities and bringing more unhealthy air qualities to those locations. We have a pretty big storm moving into the northwest. It's a chillier day today in the northwest and cold enough maybe for even a little bit of snow in the highest elevations, but pretty unsettled as you get east of that storm system, with the boundary kind of stalled out across the Great Lakes, the Ohio Valley, and the Northeast. So showers and thunderstorms will be possible with this heat and humidity as we take you into the afternoon and evening. A few strong thunderstorms, especially in that yellow color. That's a slight risk, even up near Boston, Massachusetts. Large hail, damaging winds, even some isolated tornadoes. Becomes a little more isolated on Monday. Tuesday, with a slight risk across the Dakotas. And then Wednesday, already a threat, including Minneapolis and parts of the eastern Dakotas. Where we have the thunderstorms, again, locally heavy rainfall amounts could lead to some isolated flood concerns. Pretty dry in the southwest, though, and that's where we have red flag warnings for elevated and critical fire weather. But again, some pretty heavy rain in place over the upper Mississippi Valley tonight and tomorrow. Again, the biggest fire here in the southwest is the bush fire east of Phoenix. That's 190,000 acres and 90% contained. Again, critical fire weather concerns today, where it will be quite warm and windy.